How to delete a playlist on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete a playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to delete a playlist on Spotify, all you have to do is open the Spotify app and then you can see that I'm logged into my account. Once I'm logged into my account, what you want to do is just tap the Your Library option from the bottom right of the screen. And once you tap the Your Library option from the bottom right, all you have to do is just go ahead and then basically select any of the playlist over here. So you can just long press on the playlist that you would like to delete and then just tap on the delete option. So let's say this is the playlist. I can long press on the playlist and then tap the delete playlist option here. If you don't know what your playlist is, you can tap the playlist option from there and you'll only be able to see the playlist. Tap on it, tap on delete, and then tap the delete option to delete it. This way you can delete a playlist on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.